Hi, my name is Chuck. I own an SEO agency out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to get you more leads and bring you more business. And I was doing a keyword search for your niche in Charleston Pest Control Companies, and this is what comes up on the first page. Usually there's some ads up here. This is called the map section. And then you get into the organic listings, and this is actually a directory listing. Here's one of your competitors, another directory listing, and a couple of competitors. And not sure if you knew or not, but 80% of all new searches choose one of those top 3 search results. And you can probably relate that to your own searches for service companies. But I was looking for yourself and found you on page 2. Down, let's see, here we go, defense, one termite. So, went over to your website to look at it, and love the colors, they pop out, nice characters over here. One of the things that, you got some good content there, that's good. And I love seeing your phone number prominently displayed. That helps your customers easily find the number to call. One of the things that Google does in order to rank your site higher, in order to get you more business, is they have to trust your site. They are all about trust. And Google is in business for the end user experience. So they want folks that are searching on Google to find what they're looking for with ease. And what they find, they want it to be accurate and authoritative and match what they're looking for. So one of the keys in doing that is your title tag. And we put your URL in our metadata extractor, and this is what comes out as your title. It's usually the same thing that's on the blue line in the search results. And what Google likes to see is, or prefers to see, excuse me, is the city first, and then the keyword after that. You've got 72 characters to play with on this line. So if you just made that one simple change of Charleston Pest Control Companies and a vertical line here, and then put the name of your company after that, that would go a long way in boosting your results. The other thing Google looks at are headings. What headings do you have in your site that tell Google what you want to rank for? All these are signals that are sending to Google, communicating to Google what you want to rank for and what your site's about, what you do and how you do it. So your headings, your main heading is Zone Guard Silver, and so that's telling Google that's what you want to rank for. And I would venture to say that you'd want to rank with what you'd want to rank for what people are searching for, so that they find your site. So if you change your headings on here to what people are looking for, Charleston Pest Control Companies, again, that's going to help boost your rankings. And you can have some of this other stuff mixed in there as well, but it's all in how you place it, where you place it correctly to send the correct signals to Google, so that they can boost you up in the rankings. Now there's several other things that we could get into, content, citations, and some other things. But if you got questions about any of it, just give me a call. I'll be glad to help you, or hopefully those are some things you can take care of yourself and help yourself out. Thanks, and have a good day.